Hi, this is Gary from Hello Inspections. Just want to show you how you can completely customize the cover page of your reports by moving items around, changing their width, changing their size, changing their fonts, colors, and even adding some design elements of your own. So if we jump into the app here, we can see we've got a report here. Just have a look at the cover page. It's pretty standard. We got logo at the top. We got some information about the report in the middle there, and then a cover photo. So that's all fine, but we might want to change the layout and the design of the cover page to sort of match our company branding. So we can do that now through the settings area. So we go report setup, cover page setup. So the first thing you see here is just a list of the elements that make up the cover page. So we can change the sort order just by hitting sort and then dragging the items around the list. So we might want cover photo at the top, company logo at the bottom, for example. So you're done. Obviously we can go back to the report and have a look at our changes, which you can see there, but a quicker way to do it, as we're going to be probably doing some work in here until we get our design right, is just hit the preview button. And that just brings up a cover page with like a placeholder image at the top there and some sample information there. So we can change various things around within the page as well. So if we go into have a look at the cover photo itself here, we can change the alignment, so left, center or right. Top margin is obviously the distance between the top and the next thing. So with this being the first item in the list, this will be the distance between it and the top of the page. So if you wanted that to go right up to the top, we can make him 0. The width is as a percentage of the page. So full page width would be 100%. So if we have a look at that, we can see that that's kind of a bit of a hero image there, and then obviously scales the height as well. So that's just going to push everything down below it. So if we just go back to sort of roughly how it was, bring the cover photo back down the bottom, company logo to the top, to the top, and we'll bring him down to about 75%. Cool, we can see the cover photo is kind of butted up against the property address there, which doesn't look great, so we're just going to give him a bit of padding, so I might just give him the 30 there. Obviously it's really easy to play with the elements and then just hit preview and see what your results are. With the text fields, obviously we can change a bunch of settings there as well. So again, we can left, center or right align it. We can change the font, so I'm just going to change, I'm just going to come into inspection date here. I'll just change the color to sort of match my branding there as well. Obviously we can change the font to whatever we like to. Might do the same for property address. To add some more style to the cover page, we can add these feature shapes which we've got down the bottom here, which is basically just a splash of color which will come up from the bottom of the page. So we've got some settings here again, so I'm just going to put in the top margin. That will be the top margin from the top of the page. Width, we want to be full page width. The angle is just the angle of the line, which will become obvious in a second when we see it. And the color, again, we want that to sort of match our branding, which is sort of the green on the logo. So if we take a look at that, we can see, so that's kind of cool. It adds a little sort of splash of color at the bottom there, and that will appear on all the cover pages of all your reports. You can add as many of those feature shapes as you like and really style your cover page to your preference. Hope you enjoyed that. Hit us up for more details on our Facebook page or visit our website at helloinspections.com.